Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your active now or active status on Instagram. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow my steps. First things first is you open your Instagram and go to your profile. Once you're in profile, tap on the burger menu on the top right corner. The burger menu is the one with 3 horizontal lines. After tapping on the burger menu, tap on Settings, and once on Settings, we search for Active Status. Tap on the active status and turn it off. This will then hide your active now status. That will be all for this video, and if you like the video, tap on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.